Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today I welcome you all to the another episode of reviews and unboxing. But this time, before I do any review and unboxing, I want to tell about a basic problem every dry skin girl faces, and that is their skin tend to become super dry in winters and makeup becomes really impossible for those girls, because if they use the powder products on their face, their skin is already dry, and when you tend to use the powder product, it absorbs your oil and makes your skin super dry. So I have come up with an ultimate solution to all the problems for makeup, and that is Eva Cosmetics. Yes guys, you heard me right. Eva Cosmetics have come up with their amazing range of lip and cheek tints, and these tints basically will help you to do the entire makeup. Well, that's what I am going to do. So I'm just quickly gonna show you the product. They have these super cute packaging and their pots. So these are the 4 shades that are must-have lips and cheek tints. So I'm just quickly going to tell you about the products. One is Hint of Red, the other is Timeless Mocha, the third one is Sheer Peach, and the last one is All Time Pink. So there are basically 4 shades, and I'm going to tell you a bit about it. One is in a light orange shade, one is a proper pink shade, one is red, and one is a bit of nude pink shade. So they have these 4 colors, and we're going to be using all these 4 colors to do the entire makeup, and we're definitely going to see the final results. I have read about this that it is weightless, and it has some instructions and some really good benefits that they talk about. So we will going to definitely see why it is a must-have. It says it is a 2-in-1 multitasker for everyday no makeup minimal look. Well, I agree to this one. It is actually a product that can be used on your entire skin, for maybe for the cheek, for your eyes, for your lips. So yes, I get that. Weightless, blendable, creamy matte texture, that we're gonna try it right after this what I'm reading. Then it says pigmented and long wearing formula for a natural looking sheer finish. So it says that it is pigmented and long wearing. So I'm definitely gonna give you a feedback after a few hours how this product turned out to be. And the lifestyle hydrates and protects while imparting gorgeous color. So it says that it also hydrates your skin, as I told you that in winters if you use powder products your skin tend to become dry. So with these creamy products you will have a solution to this problem. So now without wasting time, let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first product that I'm going to be using is this must have sheer peach color. So basically it's a shade of orange, and I'm going to be using it on my cheeks because I really like that orangish and pinkish tone on my cheeks. So what I'm going to do is, firstly I'm going to swatch it on my hands to show you the pigment. So I'm just going to do it for you. So this is a product that I have taken, and I'm just going to apply it on my hands to show you how it looks. Okay, so I have a really big nail, so trust me, it's a bit problem, but you can definitely use it with a brush. So this is a orange shade. So that's how the product looks like. So I'm going to be applying this on my cheeks as I said it. So I'm going to take a bit of this amount. Oh my god, actually it is super pigmented. As you can see, I just used a drop of this product and it is turning out to be really beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it in. Okay, so as you can see, I am done with my blush, and this is like super cute color. I have used a very little amount and this is the result, and I am absolutely loving it. So now the next product that I'm going to try is Timeless Mocha. It's next shade. So I have 2 shades of pink. I'm going to try one on each eye. So this is a very light shade, Timeless Mocha. So first I'm going to swatch it on my hand to show you the exact shade of it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Timeless Mocha shade, and it is super pretty, and it is super pigmented, and actually it is weightless. So now I'm going to take a little bit of an amount on my finger. I'm just going to rub it towards my fingers like this, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyes. Oh my god, actually this is really nice. So on one eye I'm going to use this, and my another eye I'm going to use a different shade. So now the other shade that I'm going to use on my left eye is All Time Pink. So I'm just quickly going to swatch it on my hands, and I'm going to show you the product color, and then I'm going to apply it on my left eye. So this is how it is firstly, and I'm just gonna quickly swatch it also for you. So as you can see, this one is the all-time pink, and now I'm gonna apply it on my eyes, the other eye. So as I told you last time also, I'm gonna just rub it on my eye. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and it is blending so easily. I really don't have to do any kind of mehnat. Now the last shade that I'm going to use is Hint of Red, and I'm going to use it on my lips. So firstly I'm going to just swatch it on my hand. I'm going to show you the final product. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to swatch it also. Okay, so this is the last product and it is super amazing color of red. Now I'm just going to apply it on my lips. God, it is so pink, so red. I mean, oh my god, can you just see the instant difference? Oh, I think it's really beautiful. I think I'm loving this one the most. I mean, ultimate. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you my final look with this entire makeup. So guys, this is like my final look that I'm gonna go with, and I really like minimum makeup when it comes to daily outings and stuff. So I haven't really done a lot of things. I've just applied a cream eyeshadow on my eyes. That was my lip and cheek tint again on my cheeks and on my lips, and my lips look super amazing. I mean, I love these type of shades where it actually gives you a natural and a hint of tint. So if I have to actually choose a best one for myself, then it is definitely gonna be a Hint of Red. I am absolutely loving this one. That one I have used on my lips. And so guys, this is my take. If I talk about the blendability, it was amazing in blending. If I talk about the weight, it is weightless on your skin. You will not feel anything like you have applied something and it will look so heavy. No, nothing like that. It's super light on your skin. And if I talk about the time, so it's been already 2 hours. After 2 hours I came up again. So after 2 hours I have come up with this, and it is as it is. It is not like, I am sweating or this is just coming off or something like that. Nothing like that. It stays as it is, and I think that's the best part about it. So yeah guys, this is all about my take on this particular video. I definitely love these products. It's like a heads up from my side, and I'll come back with another video, and I really hope that you guys like this one. And if you didn't, please do go like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.